in version 1. We are continuing version 2 from thereafter. Generally what happens that in induction program, HOD comes, he is having his PPT, he is having his material, he cuff outs everything, he talks about here and there, or whatever he does in the organization. But out of those lecture, knowledge sharing, you miss some things which delinks one part to other part, and then a hollow impact creates in your mind. In your mind, hollow impact. What said, cut. What not said, cut. And then you become the totally blank. So hear it carefully. Don't raise your finger in between. Note down your problems, points to be clarified, and once the training is imparted by him or her, training is induction training program, then with the permission you ask about your clarifications, and once the question answer session is over, no doubt another program department head will come and they will start talking about their department, their act and activities. When interactions are taking place, you need to understand how you are connected to that department, which type of the act and activities you will be performing, which will be totally connected with the Department of Law, Department of HR, Department of Purchase, Department of Accounts, and then you know the name of the person also. So if you join as a new person, then you are not blank that who is the account department. Very simple thing happens that you went on official trip, came back, then you start talking about the people from where I have to get the voucher. Very simple, but very tricky. Think I am talking to you. Then people say that check with audit department, check with HR department, check with purchase department, and few will say that check with the account department. Then 4 or 5 people created the place which are the confusing place, and from where you will not get the things, you will get the things at the place of the account department. So you need to go to account department. This will happen if during the induction program the accounts has explained to you the act and activities and documents in his or in her possession. Then during that period definitely they are going to say that the cash voucher, expenditure voucher, or any kind of bank voucher, or any kind of the such transactions documents being used on day-to-day basis will be available to us. So these are the small points which waste the time of the new appointee if it is not explained during the interactions of the HODs. So everything is well defined, well explained. If some departmental rules and regulations are fixed, you will get the cash between 4 to 5. Then you should not move in the organization whole day taking a voucher saying that बाबा मुझे कैश कब चाहिए, या सेकंड यू विल हैव ए कंप्लेन दैट साहब मैं अकाउंट पास गया था, अकाउंट मुझे डांट के भगा दिया. But if you are well said in the induction program that you have to approach for the cash between 4 to 5, then you yourself will be busy from 10 to 4 for your work, for your departmental activities. 4:50, 4:30 you will go and approach, you will get, and you will come back with the smiling face. So thus induction programs plays, this is the important role. If you are from the technical department, few days you will be put to the technical department concern, and you will be given job knowledge over there, so that when you are going to handle the job independently, then you are not facing any kind of the problems, distractions, challenges. Because in the induction program you have been told that Mr. X is the technical in charge, and on so and so date to so and so date, or from this hour to that hour, you will be under his guidance and lecture. So if you have attended, if you have done it properly, then you know everything, and knowledge makes the people perfect, and then you become the perfect in your department, and then you start performing and start giving the result from the day first, excluding the period of induction program. If you are a branch manager, branch head, or you are working in those nature of the industry, then you will be put on the induction of 3 branches, 3-4 branches, different branches, so that you are going there and working with them 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, the day it is that way it is decided, and you get the familiarity of the problems, grievances, methodology to be applied, and how to handle the act and activities of the day, how to manage the manpower, what manpower you are having and what you should not have, and then how you will accomplish the task of the day and report to the management or your HOD. If you have gone through this branch level induction program, then 2-3 days, 1 or 2 days, whatever, it depends on the organization policy basically, and then you comes back after 4 days on your job, on your table, then you are not a zero in your mind. No, you have gone through lot of act and activities live while working with the HOD, or while working with the branches, while working with your department or others department. It leads happiness to you also, and then you start talking that यार कल्चर तो बहुत अच्छा है इस कंपनी का फिर आप क्या कहेंगे, कंपनी का कल्चर तो बहुत अच्छा है कि लोगों को देखो 15 दिन बैठाल के इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम दे रहे हैं, और इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम के बाद हमको सब समझ में भी आ गया। तो आई एम अवे फ्रॉम द इल पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कि अकाउंट्स का बाउचर कहाँ मिलेगा, परचेज में मिलेगा कि ऑडिट में मिलेगा कि HR में मिलेगा कि कहाँ मिलेगा। नहीं बाबा, हमको इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम में बताया गया है, हमको कन्वेंस, आई हैव इनकर्ड द ओवरहेड्स रिलेटेड टू कन्वेंस, आई हैव टू गो टू द अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड एंड टेक द बाउचर, टेक द अप्रूवल, go between this and this time, take the cash, come back, I am happy. Otherwise you will say that यार क्या हो गया, हम तो बहुत इंसल्ट हो रहे हैं साला, जैसे हम भीख मांग रहे हैं। I am sorry, but these are the practical word being used. Then you feel insulted and you get distracted. It should not happen, and it will not happen if you have also religiously have gone through the induction training program. After it, you will put on the job, on your table, with your subordinates, with your peers, with your people with whom you have to deal with. I am finishing induction version 2 here, and I am very sure that you will get the advantage of induction program, will understand properly, thoroughly, and you will expel it out to yourself, to new people, so that they are comfortable, and comfortably they are giving their best in performance. Thank you.